Are you sure about this, brother?
I'm ready, Desmond.
When this clock hits 0, there's no going back.
The island. Talk to me. I'm willing to take the consequences if you are.
I'm just warning you now, brother. If we don't push this button, I can't. I don't know what will happen.
Don't push the button, Desmond. The island has made its decision. We were brought here for a reason. And if you push that button, then we both won't know the truth. Will we?
Alright, brother. I'll see you in another lifeline. Sorry, Desmond. The island did this. Oh, fucked. What have we done, brother? What have we done?